देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. The question is, obtain all other zeros of 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. We have given already two of its zeros and we have to find other zeros. So two zeros are given. So first is root 5 by 3. So we will write x equals to under root of 5 by 3. When root 5 by 3 will go on left side, it becomes x minus root 5 by 3 equals to 0. And the other zeros is given. X equals to minus root 5 by 3. It goes on left side, becomes x plus root 5 by 3 equals to 0. So we have given two zeros. X equals to root 5 by 3 and x equals to minus root 5 by 3. So it comes on left side, becomes x minus root 5 by 3 and it becomes x plus root 5 by 3. Now we multiply both the terms. So x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3. So a minus b into a plus b. The result comes to be a square minus b square. B square means root 5 by 3 the whole square. The square root gets cancelled and it comes x square minus 5 by 3. Now in denominator there is a term 3. So we multiplied the whole term by 3. So 3 multiplied by x square minus 5 by 3. So it comes 3x square minus 5. 3x square minus 5. So we will divide this term, this expression by 3x square minus 5. So 3x square minus 5 becomes divisor and the dividend is 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square and minus 10x and minus 5. Now we will divide and find the quotient and remainder. So 3x raised to the power 4 divided by 3x square. It comes to be x square. तो x स्क्वायर से इन दोनों टर्म में मल्टीप्लाई करके नीचे लिखें x स्क्वायर इंटू 3x स्क्वायर इट गिव्स 3x रेज टू द पावर 4 प्लस माइनस माइनस एंड 5 इंटू x स्क्वायर minus 5x square. Sign gets changed. 3x 4 cancelled. Now x, the term containing x cube will be written first. So 6x cube minus 2x square plus 5x square. Minus plus minus. It comes 3x square. Then minus 10x. Then minus 5. अब 6x क्यूब में 3x स्क्वायर का डिवाइड करेंगे तो इट गिव्स 2x. So plus 2x. So 2x into 3x square, 6x cube, plus minus minus 5 into 2x, minus 10x. Sign changed. It gives 3x square minus 5. So 3x square divided by 3x square 1. So it will goes by 1. So 1 into 3x square and minus 5. Sign changed and the remainder comes to be 0. Now we will make the factor of the quotient. So x square plus 2x plus 1. We'll make its factor. So x square plus 2x plus 1 make it equals to 0. So this becomes x plus 1 the whole square equals to 0. It means x plus 1 equals to 0 and x equals to minus of 1. X equals to minus of 1. So other zeros is x equals to minus of 1. So two zeros were already given and other zero comes to be x equals to minus of 1. So and x plus 1 the whole square, so x plus 1 equals to 0 one times. We will write in this form x plus 1 into x plus 1 equals to 0. It means when this x plus 1 becomes 0, it gives x equals to minus 1, and when this becomes 0, it also gives x equals to minus 1. So other zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. So what you have to do, we have given two zeros, x equals to root 5 by 3. Root 5 by 3 will go on left side, becomes minus. So it comes x minus root 5 by 3 equals to 0. Another 0 was given, x equals to minus root 5 by 3. It comes on left side, becomes x plus root 5 by 3 equals to 0. Now multiply both the terms. So x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3. And a minus b, a plus b. It gives x square minus 5 by 3. Since in denominator there is 3, so we multiplied the whole term by 3. So it gives 3x square minus 5. Now this is the dividend and 3x square minus 5 becomes divisor. When this is divided by 3x square minus 5, the remainder comes to be 0 and the quotient is x square plus 2x plus 1. Make the quotient equals to 0 and we will find the values of x, and the two values came x equals to minus 1 and minus 1. So these are the two zeros. Minus 1 and minus 1 are two other zeros. This type of question is important. So let us see few more questions such type. Obtain all zeros of the polynomial. Obtain all zeros of the polynomial. Obtain all zeros of the polynomial. 2x cubed minus 4x, 2x cubed minus 4x minus x square. 2x cubed minus 4x minus x square plus 2 if two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. This is the similar question. We have given two zeros, root 2 and minus root 2. So we will solve. We have given, since root 2 and minus root 2 are the factors of fx. Since we have given that root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of fx, are the zeros of fx. We have given that root 2 and minus root 2 are zeros of fx. It means make it equals to x. So x equals to root 2, then it becomes x minus root 2. Make it also equals to x. So x equals to minus root 2, then it becomes x plus root 2. So x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 are the factors of fx. अगर रूट 2 और माइनस रूट 2 जीरोज है, fx का जीरोज है, इसका मतलब क्या करेंगे, x को पहले रूट 2 के इक्वल कर देंगे, तो x माइनस रूट 2 इक्वल्स टू 0. फिर x इक्वल्स टू माइनस रूट 2 गिवन है, देन x प्लस रूट 2 इक्वल्स टू 0. तो हम लिख देंगे कि x माइनस रूट 2 एंड x प्लस रूट 2 आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ fx. अब हमें क्या करना है, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. तो x माइनस रूट 2 इंटू x प्लस रूट 2. So a minus b into a plus b. It gives a square minus b square. A square means x square. B square means root 2 the whole square. And root 2 the whole square comes to be 2. So we will write x minus root 2 and x plus root 2. This is equals to x square minus 2. अब x square minus 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. तो x स्क्वायर माइनस 2 से डिविडेंड है 2x क्यूब माइनस, अब यहाँ भी देखिए असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में पहले x की पावर 3, उसके बाद x स्क्वायर का टर्म. तो 2x क्यूब माइनस x स्क्वायर, देन माइनस 4x एंड देन प्लस 2. अब यहाँ फर्स्ट टर्म 2x क्यूब, यहाँ x स्क्वायर, तो 2x क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाय x स्क्वायर, इट गिव्स 2x. सो 2x into x स्क्वायर, 2x क्यूब प्लस माइनस माइनस 2 into 2x माइनस 4x. साइन चेंज कीजिए, तो 2x क्यूब कैंसिल्ड, देन इट कम्स माइनस x स्क्वायर एंड माइनस 4x प्लस 4x आल्सो गेट्स कैंसिल्ड and it remains plus 2. अब किससे जाएगा, यहाँ माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर, इट गिव्स माइनस 1. सो माइनस 1 से जाएगा, माइनस प्लस माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, देन माइनस माइनस प्लस 2, साइन गेट्स चेंज्ड, so remainder comes to be 0. So the quotient is 2x minus 1. So make it equals to 0. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. 2x equals to 1 and x equals to 1 by. So we have to obtain all zeros. So all zeros comes to be x equals to root 2 which was given, minus root 2 which was also given, and we determine the other zeros, x equals to 1 by 2. So these are the all the zeros of the polynomial. See one more question. If two zeros of the polynomial, if two zeros of the polynomial, if two zeros of the polynomial fx equals to, if two zeros of the polynomial fx equals to x की पावर 4 minus 6x cube, x की पावर 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square, x raised to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x plus 138x minus 55. If two zeros of the polynomial fx are, this is 35. If two zeros of the polynomial are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, then find other zeros. So we have given two zeros, means 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 are the zeros of fx. We have given that 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 are the zeros of fx. It means, अब इसे x के इक्वल कीजिए, तो x इक्वल्स टू 2 प्लस रूट 3, इसे लेफ्ट साइड में लाए, तो x माइनस 2 माइनस रूट 3 इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड x माइनस रूट 3, x minus 2 minus root 3 equals to 0. Then other zero is given, x equals to 2 minus root 3. Then it comes x minus 2 plus root 3 equals to 0. So we will write that x minus 2 minus root 3 and x minus 2 plus root 3 are the factors of x. अब इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, तो x माइनस 2 और माइनस रूट 3 इंटू x माइनस 2 एंड प्लस रूट 3, तो a माइनस b एंड a प्लस b, इट गिव्स a स्क्वायर minus b square, x minus 2 the whole square minus root 3 the whole square. Expand on the formula a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 3. So it gives x square minus 4x plus 5. So we will divide the given polynomial by x square minus 4x plus 1 and the fx is x raised to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x and minus of 35. अब देखिए फर्स्ट टर्म x की पावर 4, यहाँ x स्क्वायर, it goes by x square. So x square into x square, x की पावर 4 minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube plus 1 into x square plus x square. Sign changed, minus plus minus, it gets cancelled. Minus 6x cube plus 4x cube, it gives minus 2x cube. Minus 26x square minus x square minus 27x square plus 138x and minus 35. Now minus 2x cube divided by x square, it gives minus of 2x. So minus 2x multiplied by x square minus 2x cube minus minus plus 4 into 2 8x square minus plus minus 2x. Again change the sign. 2x cube cancelled, minus 27x square minus 8x square minus 35x square 138x plus 2x 140x and minus 35. Now minus 35x square divided by x square, it gives minus 35. So minus 35 into x square minus 35x square minus minus plus 35 into 4 140x and minus 35 into 1 minus 35. Change the sign. So the remainder comes to be 0. Now make the quotient equals to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 35 equals to 0. Make its factor by splitting the middle term. X square minus 2x minus 35 equals to 0. Make its factor. So it gives x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 equals to 0. From these two terms, x is common. So it gives x minus 7. 5 is common, x minus 7 equals to 0. So x minus 7 and x plus 5 equals to 0. So x minus 7 equals to 0 and it gives x equals to 7. Then x plus 5 equals to 0, it gives x equals to minus 5. So all the zeros, all other zeros comes to be x equals to 7 and minus 5, and two zeros were already given. So this is the way to do such type of questions. Let us see question number 4. Question number 4 of NCERT exercise 2.3. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. On dividing this by a polynomial gx. On dividing this polynomial by a polynomial gx. The quotient and remainder were x minus 2. The quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4. The remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Find gx. Find gx. So there is a formula. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. There is a formula that dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So on dividing means dividend is given. We are given the dividend x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. On dividing by polynomial gx means divisor is gx. We get the quotient. Quotient is given x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4. It can also be written as 4 minus 2x. So we have to find the value of gx. So 4 minus 2x will come on left side. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 4 and minus 2x becomes plus 2x equals to x minus 2 into gx. This will be written x minus 2 into gx. Now x cube minus 3x square minus 3x square plus 2x plus x plus 3x and 2 minus 4 minus 2 equals to x minus 2 into gx, and we get the value of gx equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So divide by x minus 2 in x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. इसको डिवाइड कर लीजिए. So it goes by x square into x cube minus 2 into x square minus 2x square. Sign changed. It gives minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Now it goes by minus of x. So plus minus minus x square minus minus plus 2x minus sign changed. So 3x minus 2x, x minus 2, it goes by 1. So x minus 2. It means on dividing the quotient comes to be x square minus x plus 1. So this is the value of gx, means the value of divisor. So what we have done, firstly we will have to write the formula. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. At the place of dividend, we have written the value which I have given. Divisor given gx, quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is 4 minus 2x. We will replace 4 minus 2x to the left side. It becomes, its sign gets changed and it remains x minus 2 into gx. Then we will find the value of gx. This divided by x minus 2. And by long division method, it means that this term is divided by x minus 2. So x minus 2 से इसको divide कर दिया and remainder comes to be 0. So the quotient is the result, which is the value of gx, x square minus x plus 1. In the next video, we will see few other questions.